Here I have Samsung Galaxy F34, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see Samsung logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. In the appeared menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select, you should select an option Reboot to bootloader. And this is basically a boot mode. That's how it looks like. So if you want to quit it, just do as it says, volume down key plus side key for more than 7 seconds, and it means cancel, restart phone. So let's try to do it. And now device restarts just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.